Good morning, everybody. We are live. Let's get this thing going. Looks like we had some NFP this morning, 8:30 a.m. U.S. private payroll. U.S. factory orders month over month. I'm in a long here, just waiting to see what happens here. I was hoping we were going to get another push, but it looks like we're getting a pullback here right before the open. We got about 6 minutes to the open here. I got my stop slightly in the money here. Kind of should almost add to this guy on this pullback here. Feel like we might pop here. Hey, good morning, Angia. Hey, how are you? Okay, stopped out there. Got stopped out there. It's all good. Skeletor's in the house. Hey, good morning. How you doing, buddy? You guys catch any nice trades in the pre-market there with Nick? Looks like we've been going up and up, mostly. You're chilling right now, enjoying a long weekend. All green, all green. Nice. Nice. You got a long weekend also? You know, yesterday was Canada Day. So it is a holiday yesterday for us. I was with Nick last 2 hours. Now with my my friend. Give you a like. Hey, thank you. Oh, the market closed tomorrow? Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Usually when we have the market closed on Friday, the Thursday evening streams are pretty busy. Uh-oh. Is it raining for Nick?
Yeah, buddy.
Again?
It's the rainy season. What do you want, man?
All day, every day. Right now. Good morning.
Oh, yeah. It's mostly a couple hours in the morning, half an hour to an hour in the afternoon, and then a couple hours. Well, I would say a couple hours in the evening, but it has been raining here. It's raining from about 8 p.m. a few hours ago.
Gotcha. So it looks like we're breaking down a bit here. I took a little long, actually, about 10, a little over 10 minutes ago.
How'd that work out for you?
It worked out good. I closed 4 of the 5 contracts in profit, and then I left to stop break even with 1 contract and got taken out on that on the pullback here.
Very good. Got taken out in profit. That's always nice.
Yeah.
I am down $160 in my my Tradeify account right now. Up almost like just a hair under 300 on my TPT accounts.
Ooh,
So I had one good win and one small loss.
gotcha.
So, I mean, did all right.
Wow, look at this
Skeletor.
going down. Holy.
She's a moving.
It's going.
I do have my intraday VWAP set up right now, so it actually just touched VWAP and rejected off of it. Do you have the same one up? I'm not looking at the stream
got it.
yet.
Mine's up at 30,073 ish.
Right.
That's a start
30.
of day.
Oh, we have the same. Okay, we have the same indicator up then.
Nice.
So 1 hour ago, the news said U.S. stock futures extend gains after June non-farm payrolls data.
So market's open here.
Ding, ding, ding. That was my bell.
Ding, 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 ding. Let's go.
Ding,
Market
ding,
is
ding.
open. Ring, ding, dong. Ring a ding, 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 dong.
Anybody in the chat got a bias for long or shorts today?
We do have equal lows from pre-market. They're down at sort of 29, 827. If this bearish movement continues here. But we did find pretty strong support there right at previous day lows. So
Yeah. And there's not as much movement here as I was expecting with news came out. There weren't as many resting orders on Bookmap. That's why. All right.
mm-hmm.
So yeah, there weren't as many resting orders, probably because in anticipation of the news. Right now we got 132 orders sitting at the 30,000 level. 151 at 30,400, 152 at 30,500, and that's on the small size contracts.
Puran's in the house. Hey, good morning. Puran won one of the giveaways. I think it was not this Sunday, but last Sunday.
I really need to work on getting some more subscribers on the pre-market channel, just so I can do giveaways.
Yeah,
I want to give people free accounts.
neutral to bullish. If we close above 209 on NQ, which is the midpoint of previous day, we go higher. Not financial advice.
Never financial advice here.
Yeah,
Just a couple of butt heads trying to make a couple of bucks.
Ingli Tsai in the house. Good morning.
And those couple of butt heads are actually just Dave and Skeletor. I'm not putting myself in that group.
You hear that, man? Skeletor? Just me and He-Man and Skeletor here.
You got a high opinion of yourself, don't you, Dave? Calling yourself He-Man. Come on now.
Me and Skeletor battling the markets. Bullish and bearish. Beavis and Butthead? Okay.
Yeah, that's more like it right
there.
there.
You go. We're Beavis and Butthead, Skeletor.
I can picture Dave. NQ long.
Yeah.
NQ long.
NQ long. Let's do it.
Oh.
Popping a bit here. I'm just not that convinced that it's going to continue staying bullish for the moment, but we'll see. We'll see. You never know.
It's only 9:33, homie.
Just as I said that, we just jumped like 20, 30 points. I feel like
I am in a single micro long right now.
Nice.
And I added to it. So my average price is 30,114.50. I should have added into it a little bit earlier. I'm up a couple of bucks, so.
Yep.
Basically took that trade based on volume and so.
It does look like it wants to go higher.
That it does. I just took profits on one of those.
De-risk a little bit. Zumane, butt heads and ass puckers. Cracking nuts with the ass puckers.
Sometimes this market will have my butt cheeks clenched so hard I can crack walnuts with them. All right, I got my break even +5 in.
There you go. Gordon, breakout long.
Hey, Gordon and I are seeing things in the same way, eh? Now, it is a Thursday before a holiday. Keep that in mind.
$30,000 holding support. Yeah, seems like it, hey?
So it is pretty bright red up above us on the book map right now.
Yeah, I see that.
There is a whole lot of orders.
I'm looking at MNQ and I'm seeing, 70, 75, 80, some up at 200, pretty thick through that area. Now that's on MNQ. Let me take a quick look on the NQ.
Who's in here right now? Zumane calling us buttheads and ass puckers.
Yeah. ES has relative strength at the moment.
I was just going to say Calico's trading ES, so I'm going to pull up the map on ES for him. Oh, so yeah, there are a couple hundred orders sitting at 75.80 right now. 167 just below that at 77. 78 or 75.78. 77.50 has a couple hundred orders on it. There's 168 at 75.75. ES has got a ton of orders up there. Pull up MES on my chart.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, homie wasn't kidding.
NQ's looking a little bearish.
So ES is coming up to that standard 2 deviation band. It did come back down after it approached it. I'd wait for a little bit of a pullback and then take a long on ES and feel comfortable with it.
Yeah.
I'd be looking at 65, 75, 63.
Just observing relative strength.
Yeah.
RTY
I say that I'd wait for a pullback and it starts pushing up as soon as I say that.
Yeah. No chance for you. Missed your pullback.
Nope. Hey, you're not gonna get every trade, right?
Nope.
I am definitely not good enough to do that.
Yeah, and it's above the point of control, whereas NQ's below value area low. YM is also above value area high and point of control. So we're all
right.
Those two are definitely more bullish for now.
We have the active point of control right now. It's 75, 60, 75 for ES.
Mm-hmm.
And then for ES, if anyone else is trading it, we've got the previous day's value area high at 75, 77.50. Previous day high was at 75.79. So I did enter a long with a single micro on ES. My entry price is 75.69.50. I'll just keep watching this right now, see how it interacts with the London high. 75.76.50 and see what it does there. If it pushes through it with any real strength, I will probably add a couple micros to this. Leave my stop loss down where it is, which it's currently at a break even plus 2 points. So no matter what, I will cover my costs and commissions and make a couple bucks on top of it. Wonder if I'm going to have another one of those days where every trade makes $36.50. It's been known to happen.
Yeah.
Known to happen.
I got 2 micros. My average price is 75.74.
All right. Oh, you're trading the ES now?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Nice.
That's what I'm talking about.
I took one off there just because hard to not take a little profit on that pop. So
all right, we just swept all those orders at 80. We still have orders at 75.90. I am adding another into here. 2 in, break even plus 2. So again, costs and commissions plus a couple bucks. It does pull back on us.
NQ ripped also. I mean, it's still like not very great. It's above its opening price, still below pre-market high, but it's like a 125 point green candle.
All right.
Join in ES.
Oh, phooey. That
45
pulled
bucks.
back and stopped me out.
I added one. I didn't get stopped out yet. My average price now is 75.76. I got my stop at 75.76.75. So I got like 0.50 ticks, 2 ticks in profit. Come on, ES, let's get going back up there. Get above the 80s. It's previous day high is getting the resistance here, popping a bit now. Okay, I moved it up to more profit. I took one off. Okay, I got stopped out on the remainder there, so not bad. I think that was like $200 winner-ish.
Nice. Very nice.
Took a long MNQ 2 micros, 180 green dollars. Nice job. Yeah, I believe it.
Very good.
That freaking bounce was pretty savage.
All right, I just added another 2 micros on this little pullback. And again, I am looking at Bookmap at these orders up at 7,600. Yeah. We just got 342 of them up there. So I do not have my stop loss in profit right now. I'm leaving it down. Excuse me. I'm still leaving it down 20 points right now, just to give this some room to breathe.
Mm-hmm.
If I take an L, I'll deal with it. Does get up to 7,600. I'll probably just take my profits there and and then go for a long drive.
Like at the golf course?
No. Yeah, I'm gonna be cutting out a little bit early today. I'm getting the hell out of the Caribbean and scooting over to San Jose for the day. I got some stuff to do with the recycling companies and yeah, a bunch of the plastic cleanup project stuff.
Yeah, nice.
Hey, look at this go! All right, putting in my break even +2 now.
Yeah, she going. That boy good. Dave, you mentioned there are resting orders on Bookmap on MES 7580. Yeah, we have orders at 80. Looks like, what is that? 90, 95, 7,600. Quite a few, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over 1,000 contracts between the price we're at right now and 7,600.
Yeah, there's a whole lot going up. Yeah, there's a whole lot of orders up there right now.
And then if we take a look at ES, also we got 108 at 90, 126 at 95, and 178 at 7,600. So I'm just looking at this thing like, how do I get in here? Tick chart is going wild here. I'm rich, LOL. Gordon in the house.
Oh, Gordon. Teach me the secrets of your getting rich ways.
Zach, I think Zach hit max daily loss in some new evals today. Daily loss limit because he was trying to short it. He's in Lucid eval jail is what he said. So in other words, he doesn't have any funded, so on Lucid.
Oh no.
So he's you know what? Maybe
a little bit of a pullback here.
BC on the way.
All right, I took some profits on that. Still have two micros on ES or MES. I'm sorry.
Nice pop here. Still going up. ES is definitely the one to be looking at right now for how clean it is. Although NQ looks almost the same. Just we haven't made a new high yet from pre-market. But like from that pullback, it's up like now it's up what 167 points. Jeez, man, this thing just going. Oh, I should have marked off my opening range high there because like that candle pullback was perfect to the T to the top of the opening range high. This current candle that we're on. Wow, look at that thing. Yeah. NQ's at point of control now. What, you think we're going to 450? Gordon?
Man. All right. Just added another 2 on this little pullback here.
Nice.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade.
Wondering how this candle's going to close here. Looking like a bit of a dote, like an indecision candle, but we still have, you know, orders above 95 and 600. So this is just seems like a normal pullback. It's a 10-point pullback from almost from the highs.
Yeah, this isn't worrying at all. Looking at it on a 15-minute chart, this is concern.
270. Let's see here. Hey, Randall Paul. Good morning. Falcon 1 and 2 flying ESYM. Nice, Lata. Gordon Gecko need 275 to break. Macro liquidity will take it a lot higher. All right, gents, I'm done. See you, Skeletor. Have a great day.
Enjoy the rest of your day, Skeletor. Thanks for coming on with me in the pre-market.
Yes, sir.
And here again for New York.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain.
275 is a big resistance point, says Gordon. Yeah, it looks like it. That's also from, what is that, Wednesday's VWAP? No, Tuesday. Tuesday's VWAP. This happens to be right at the point of control, and previous day's point of control right near the 275 area.
So high day VWAP from 952 on the 1 minute chart. We are currently below it. We're above previous VWAP. And I'm going to move this hours for a second. I'm still looking at ES here.
Yeah. I got the chart on ES right now also.
Yeah, okay.
And the book. I got the big contracts on the book right now. 75.90 has about 87 contracts. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base.
Yeah, I've got 7,600 as a take profit right now.
We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pull.
Do I think this is going to move up 400 points? Seen stranger things happen. I have my take profit 7,600, but
We got news in 1 minute, FYI.
Oh, thank you.
Not big news, but trade safely. Yeah. What is it?
Appreciate that.
U.S. factory orders, core durability. I took a long and then I got out there. It was like a $3 or $5 loser. Just we're just kind of stalling out a bit here, and I was like looking at the hourly candles coming here, so don't want to get caught in a pullback. You're in a different position. You're in earlier, so
yeah, I'm still holding this. So far, I'm in with 6 micros.
So previous U.S. factory order month over month was 4.8%. Forecasted was -2%, and the actual was -1.3%.
All right. So I'm expecting this to go up a little bit on that, but
better than forecasted, but down.
But still down, yeah.
Yeah. What's revised? Revised says 5.3%. I don't know what that means, but $332.1 billion in durable good new orders.
So pocket change.
I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk.
All right, up $600 now.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive.
Ugh.
You got this. It's like, don't forget to breathe.
Thank you. Thanks for the reminder.
Right. Wham's getting smacked down. Oh yeah, wow, yeah. And NQ's going up, so that's why ES is hanging out still.
Yep. So as of right now, I have $150 locked in. So this is now a no stress trade. No matter what, I make $150. All of these accounts are end of day.
Nice. Getting a pop there.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. What's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now.
Voter candle incoming, says Gordon. Have you been talking to Randy or something?
Yeah.
I'm just stacking little basics, yeah.
$225 break, it'll sink. Is what Gordon's saying there. 225. Okay, so sort of like this current candle's low. If NQ breaks its current candle low, you're thinking it's going to continue lower here. I'm still running for the 330 long, 5 micros. Good luck, Randall. Looks like it wants to go higher.
Yeah, I'm still in my ES long now. We have a new point of control, a new active point of control on ES. Highest volume was at 7,587.25.
All right, yeah.
Currently above that, but now below it.
Yeah, pretty high volume up here at the high, right?
Mm-hmm. Still have we've got over 1,500 orders above the current price right now.
Oh, yeah. On the big contracts, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600-ish.
I'm looking at the little contracts right now.
Yeah, no, that's why I figured I'll just let you know that it's looking pretty similar over there too.
Appreciate you.
600 is like 6,000, right? Micros to minis.
Yes. All right, I just added another 6 micros to this.
Whoa.
Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with his butt on the trade down green like yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing the range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. Up 850 on a funded account. Next guy. I blew mine in 1 candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. If you whack tag it, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long, let's eat. I'm short 5 mics.
From 30,041. Nice job, Randall. Jeez. Randall got in 30,041. So you're up like 200 points.
What's the current price?
30,250. So he's up 210 points.
Damn. All right.
In 5 micros.
I would look, but I'm trying to manage this relatively large trade here.
Yeah. Don't look away.
Yeah, I'm not.
Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Right? Right. We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
All right, just added another 3 micros.
He said, yeah, 12 micros is serious. Yeah, Randall, it is. Yeah. and QYM are completely opposite of each other. If one goes up, the other one goes down. Quite often we see that, yes.
Yeah, it happens a lot.
I can agree with that, Calico. Not always. There's the occasional day where they all run together, and those are usually the ones that just trend.
All right, got stopped out.
All right.
See what the damage is on that. All right, not too bad.
Right back to the VWAP there on MES. Previous day high.
Start looking for another long here. That one treated me pretty well, so.
Very nice. Here you go. ES bounced off the VWAP real nice there. Previous day high. Almost up 10 points. Just like that. So there's a red flag. I don't know if it's what it is, but it says key European nations except Hormuz Strait fees are inevitable. According to those acquainted with the situation, some major European governments now recognize that ships passing through the critical Strait of Hormuz will have to pay tolls to Iran and Oman. Two of the participants, who asked not to be identified while discussing private considerations, indicated the possibility of receiving a service fee in the aftermath of the U.S.-Israel conflict with Islamic Republic. Some Gulf Arab officials privately hold the same opinion, they claimed, but this is not necessarily their government's stated attitude.
Another chart. Another night. I walk a lonely chart tonight. The only one still glowing bright. Through broken trend lines left behind. Searching for the next setup I find. The VWAP faded far away. The value lurks where I'll stay. The market whispers then it lies.
If you can hold 30,146, I will add a couple of micros. No. Oh, it went down to 31.
About my hopes or my prayers. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trader leaves a piece of their mind. The stock gets hit, but tomorrow I'll be fine.
Did you get taken out on a stop in profit on that trade, Randall?
Of broken trend lines. FEG. Frank the Great Pyron sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen this movie all before. The screen
Oh, I was asking if you had your stop in the money, Randall, and if you got stopped out on that pullback, or because I just saw you say no.
Yeah.
Well, I'm feeling a bit of FOMO here on the ES trade there because that pop off the VWAP was real nice.
Smart money to stack, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold.
Oh, jeez.
Let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup, if you got
You closed it for 1947 and waiting for it to go in again. I said no for Mustang on a stop out. Gotcha. Nice job. Almost $2,000, Randall. Wow. Whew. Am I going to take part in Top Stacks Octagon leaderboard? I didn't know about it. Tell me about it.
Yeah, that's news to me. They're what are they doing? Cage fights now for Top Step? What do they think this is? The White House? Yeah, I went to DC. I saw this giant White House, and they had a cage fight in front of it. Their pool was full of algae, and half the building was just torn down.
What the heck?
Sounds like a really crappy neighborhood, doesn't it? All live traders will be fighting. Well, Dave, I'm down if you are.
Actually fighting? You mean?
I mean, that would be. I would take part in that in a half a heartbeat.
Yeah, I don't know of many traders that are fighters other than us.
I mean, yeah, actually, I don't know any. There's an outdoor boxing ring in close to my house over in the Nicoya Peninsula.
Yeah,
I'm very, very happy about. I'm actually considering going over there and coaching some of the kids.
Oh, cool. What Nick do on the weekend?
All right. So I got my long in at 75.8250 on ES. 3 micros. Oh, this is pulling back on me now.
And yeah, are you talking about NQ 2 micros long at the VWAP? Looks like we pulled a little bit below the VWAP there on NQ. Let's take a quick look at NQ book map here. $30,325 has contracts above. 30,070 has a little bit. VWAP is 108. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's my that's overnight VWAP. Very nice. Getting a nice bounce there.
The Mustang Trader will be high on the list. I don't participate in any of those challenges. I'm not good at just throwing on a shit ton of size and letting it go.
Yeah.
That's the only way you're going to win any of those things, because that's
Yeah.
what most of the people who get into them do. They forward it in one direction, and yeah, that's not how I trade, and I don't want to get into the habit of trading like that.
Yeah, no doubt.
That's not my idea of a good time. And I mean, what do you get out of it too? That's the other thing. What are they going to do? Give me an account? Oh boy. At this point, I'll give you one of my accounts. How's that sound? Sorry, that was kind of an asshole thing to say, but yeah, I could never win one of those. My profits aren't big enough. Right now, I believe it's E8 has one of those things going on, and I looked at their leaderboard, and this was last week when I looked at it. On their leaderboard, whoever was at the highest had a $79,000 profit on 100K, their paper accounts that they do these on.
Oh.
But $79,000 profit. Yeah, $10,000 worth of drawdown. That's oversizing and over risking. And sure. And what do you get out of it? You get, I think there was a cash prize of like 10 G's and E8 accounts and all that, and that's great. I mean, if you're into doing those competitions and you're willing to trade like an asshole, go for it. But I just can't do it.
Yeah,
I don't want to. I know myself, and I get all sorts of antsy about it and end up copy trading that to another account and blowing it out and full porting live accounts and doing stupid shit. It's been a long time me trying to get my habits to be
consistent,
mostly good. Yeah. I don't want to get rewarded for bad habits. I want to get rewarded in small amounts for good habits over a long period of time, so that way I can sustain my income. Honestly, this is what I do for a living. I don't make money in any other way than trading. So if I start messing that up, what the hell am I going to do? It's not like I'm not selling mentorships. I'm not making money on like social media stuff.
Yeah.
All of my money comes from trading. So it's just making choices.
10 a.m. failed to make a higher high. Gordon?
Ooh.
I'm gonna go grab a quick coffee. I'll be right back. Excuse me. I didn't use a coffee pot, so I got to go downstairs and use a cappuccino machine.
So just so you know, the sky just opened up down here.
Yeah.
So there is a chance that I will lose power. So I'm not getting into the trade.
Ooh.
And if I disappear, that's what happened.
Right now it's really volatile. That's why I'm not going in that. Well, that and the chances of power is going to go completely to puts here. Well, NQ is looking like it's a little bit heavier. I am actually pretty tempted to go into a short now. Not going to, but I'm tempted. Weight it down to 30,000. See if that ends up as a support left. No, never mind. Went through it. Wow, this is a hell of a drop down. Down at 941. If anybody's in a short, congratulations. You are ill in it right now. Anybody in the chat in the short, you... I was going to say let us know, but no. Wait until you're done with your trade, and then let us know. Manage that shit appropriately. That price down to 930 right now on NQ. There are still orders. Oh, hold on. $48. Yes, it's still my fave. NASDAQ, you can keep her. Yeah, I mean, if you feel more comfortable trading one asset than the other, why would you switch? Doesn't make any sense. Taking unnecessary risks for what? Well, guys, I will say one thing about today. There's some movement. Don't trust this down move. Randall Paul Trader, I don't trust anything. I will watch it. I will set my stop losses where I think they should be. But I always have basically my finger on the exit. But for today, let's see.
What did I miss?
You missed a down move on NQ.
Oh, whoa. Yeah.
So I'm getting out of here.
Okay, Nick.
So yeah, I'm actually up about $900 on my TPTs.
Nice.
500 on trade day, and I made back my loss on my Tradeify account today.
Very good.
So it's been a decent green day.
Sweet. Yeah.
All right, but I am gonna get the heck out of here. I'm gonna start packing up my stuff and get ready for a drive.
Yeah. Sounds good, Nick.
Is that
I'll
my
catch
chart?
you. Yeah, it is. I don't know why you added. It went up. It popped it up. So there we go.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, I tried to add it earlier when I was looking at NQ when you left.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, so Hawks-wise, Wayne, Randall, Laughter, everybody, have a good holiday weekend. Be safe, lock in some profits. I appreciate y'all coming to visit me in the morning and again in the later morning. Hawks-wise, I never know if you're making a dirty joke or a double intender. I'm assuming you usually are.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'll see you later, Dave. Have a good one.
See you, Nick. All right, guys. It's just us. It's just us. Have a great 4th. Yeah, tomorrow's the 4th of July, hey? So we had Canada Day on Monday, July 1st. But, you know, not much good things to say about Canada's situation right now. So, pretty sad. Look at that little pushing down lower here. Oh, Canada. I feel like we're gonna head for these lows on NQ here, 840 area. but we have this bullish fair value gap right here. So I'm kind of thinking, like, if we can get a closure below that, maybe we're going to head there. But where's this bounce? Where's this bounce gonna end? Are we gonna go all the way back to previous day low first, or what? I don't know. Oh, 07 will break, will invert the bearish fair value gap. One hour candle about 500 points. Really? Oh, sheesh. Wow. What Nick do on the weekend, guys? What Nick do on the weekend? I think that's another special hit from the Hawk Flies. Yeah, it's a good song. That's probably the only serious comment Hawk Flies has said in a while. So, hey, Dad. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Hey, got 4 likes on the stream this morning. We got 11 people watching right now. Thanks for that. 50% is a pretty decent target. Right now I'm Pleasant, where I live in Italy. Yeah, I bet. Italy is a beautiful place to be living. I can't agree more. After my visit, I was like, oh my Lord. Be careful if they try to flush this. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna head probably down to the lows here at some point, right? So maybe this this pump would have been the entry. Something like stop above previous day low, targeting the low. Let's see. It's a 2-to-1 risk to reward if we get in somewhere around the 70s. Could even actually look for
base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high stack.
Yeah, they haven't been able to get back above NQ previous day low, right? Yeah. Two attempts here, buyers got rejected by the sellers, right? So we're probably heading to these lows. But like I said, we have this 1 5-minute bullish fair value gap sort of in the way here at right at the 900s. Kind of being a bit of a headache.
FOMO this, wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we
My TP is 846 on my short. You're rare short? Yeah. You're usually long, aren't you, Randall? Randall, do you sleep much? Because I could have sworn right before I went to bed, it was like 11 p.m. and I saw you in what was that? There was a stream that you were in last night that I saw your name. The Asian guy. Look at that thing, man. Woo! You have a rule about shorts? Real rule about shorts? Yeah. Damn, Gina. We got there. We got it. Let's look at our higher time frame here and see if we can't find.
Management, that's success. NQ moving mad, that whips too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, them we collect.
We got a 1 hour fair value gap down here. And another 1 hour down here. So this guy, let's go to the 1 hour and make sure that that's still an active one. Yep. Oh, this is a 1 hour right here too.
Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get a roll, stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG, fill them, we press it. NQR, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, stack lows. No stress, risk management.
The Tory trend line here has been holding. I mean, we popped above it, but then got back below real quick. Yeah, I mean, it definitely could be 50% of that fair value gap is right almost at 750. Maybe they're just going to go straight to 700 or down even to 600 or 500. You never know with the way that this price is moving. Like, look at that thing, man. 500 points down in the 1 hour candle. Mustang Hawk Flies, I may be on tomorrow in the pre-market if the hotel Wi-Fi is acceptable. If you want to wake up early and come on with me, feel free. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. I should try to get up early once in a while. Find a Tika for me. What's a Tika? What is a Tika?
Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news.
Tika.
For a one-day flex, we here long term, respect the steps.
Word has Costa Rican. Word was Costa Rican young lady. Oh, gotcha. Code word. Excuse me for 1 sec. I forgot my phone over there, and then I'm like, geez, how did I miss the initial balance here?
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trades like meat, no fart. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose.
So I did take a little long there. I noticed that we're right at the bottom of that channel. Oh shoot, I'm on the wrong contract here. So wrong account. This is the 4004. I went in long with 5. Took off 4 already. Okay, never mind. I'm back out of that trade. Back out of that trade. So I went long with 5. I took off 2. I took off 2 more as we pushed up, and I went break even on the remaining contract. So locked in a little bit. I am in some drawdown on this account from a silly trade yesterday. So frustrating, guys. So I went short. Price popped up on me. And, you know, like I was trying to give it a little bit of wiggle room. And then I ended up stopping it out. Literally ticks from the reversal point of that little push up. And then it just went all the way down to my take profit. And then for some reason after that, I decided I was going to try to take a long. And took another loss. So I did some damage to one of my funded accounts. It was down, almost 1,000 on those 2 trades. Maybe it was a little bit more actually. And now I got it back down to only down 450. So, So I recovered. Let me see. I would have to open up my TradeZella here to know what's going on, but frustrating. You know, it's like I basically got tilted because of the first trade. I stopped it out and then it went well into profit. And then for some reason I decided to try to take a long. And then I think later I took a short and then that's when it bounced on me too. So I think it was actually 3 losing trades last night in a row. I'm like, Jesus, how is this? It's annoying. So this is funded flex 0004. Tim, how are you doing today? Did you catch some banger trades this morning with Nick pre-market or what?
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah. Chill. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress.
Still kind of holding in this fair value gap at the bottom of that channel. Now, it doesn't, just because there's a channel doesn't mean we're not going to break lower, but look at how many times we've found support sort of at the bottom of the channel. 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be number 5 times. Maybe what we could do is, if we end up inverting this fair value gap, we could do sort of a long sort of targeting back to previous day low with a stop below this. Pretty high risk to reward actually, but high risk. lower reward.
Crate digging rhythm hitters, yeah. Back when the tape deck click with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats, survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on their shoes, but the vision stays blazing. From the basement speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at a time. That grind line, yeah. Old soul rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Made the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knocks heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse. Let the session begin.
So we are pushing back below the channel, but we're still in that 1 hour bullish fair value gap. So I am curious to see what's going to happen here. So, hey, Chess Lab AI. Oh man, are you talking about what I was talking about earlier on taking the losses? One trade made $70. Nice, Tim. Good job. 868 inversion looks promising for a long. Okay. So I'm even though I'm red on the day, I'm feeling happy about today's trading session. Anyways, recovered a good chunk. I'm not trying to get all the money back or anything, but you know, it always feels nice to you know, make some profits in some of the accounts that you sort of made mistakes on, right? Can you subscribe to my channel? What's your channel? Chess Lab. The Chess Lab? Chess Lab AI? Feeding AI the weirdest parts of chess community bring you the funniest chess shorts in the feed? Is that what it is? One day up, another day down, you'll get it all back. Yeah, I know. You can't win it every day, right? And, you know, like sometimes you're just going to have a stretch of losers. Although I would say, I think my stretch of losers last night was partially tilt. So I'm moving to Texas. I wish I would move into Texas. I got too many responsibilities in Canada, but I would love to get out of here, man. Until we get the conservatives back in power, then maybe Canada will be great again. And no, our conservatives aren't Trump-like, but you know, a lot of these policies our current government have are just doing serious damage to our country. They don't give a crap about the well-being of the people. So nope. I wish I was. I would like to go to, like, you know, I would even be open to going to like somewhere in Asia, like Vietnam or Thailand. That would be pretty cool. Maybe one day. I'm just gonna keep grinding on the YouTube. Hopefully refine my trading a little bit better here. We can start making some more money. But you know, my main focus has been just working on the channel, growing that. And you know, that would help feed the dream of, you know, living abroad or something, right? So we'll see. I do have a lot of responsibilities here with my parents and stuff. That's kind of the hard part for me to leave, because you know, I live with my mom, and my dad's not. My dad's also in Surrey, so they're not really going anywhere anytime soon. So you've been in Italy for 12 years. Love it. Completely different. Oh, yeah. I've been, I traveled to Italy, and it's just such a beautiful country. The people are awesome. I love how you can just pull over on the side of the road, go into a little coffee shop, and just get like a little espresso shot. And just people, while I was there, I stayed there for like 10-15 minutes, and there was just everyone just comes in, they get to their little espresso, and they just like gone, and then they're out. Like they just got their shot, and they're on the way. It's pretty awesome. I thought that was pretty cool. Stop at 7:30 here, going long. I think your trade might work. I agree that it's a decent area to take a stab at a long. Let's just hope it doesn't pull back here right away. 7:30 stop. You just got to be careful because we could consolidate a bit here, chop around in this fair value gap, and then go. So they do that like 5 times a day. Yeah. My girlfriend is amazing. A real woman. Nice. Yeah, that's something you're gonna not really find as much in North America, right? Obviously, she's an Italian girl. Do you speak Italian, or are you learning Italian, or both? Where did that Chess Labs guy go? I don't know if this is his channel or not. Chess Lab AI. I was asking him if that's his channel because I was gonna give him a subscribe, but he disappeared. Jonathan, what the heck happened? Was dumb due to the EU accepted in Strait of Hormuz fees accepted? Yeah, it's a good question. We did get that right, and it just did coincide with, what time was that? 11 after 10-11 a.m. Yeah, I mean, that's right when that happened, right? So, hey Primo, thanks. Happy 4th to you also. Oh, tomorrow or Friday or Saturday? I don't know, because today's the 2nd, right? Yesterday was Canada Day for me. I wish I had some like dual citizenship. That would be pretty dope. I could be like, yeah, I'm Canadian and American. Yeah, she lives in Italy. I speak okay Italian. Oh, nice. Good for you. There you go, Gordon. Hopefully this trade is VWAP attack here. Yeah, you think we're going to head back to the VWAP? Nice entry there. Back in the channel here. Let's see. They gotta take out these highs. So I want to see us invert this fair value gap. Then I'll be convinced we'll go back to the VWAP or previous day low. 868 inversion to the VWAP. What time frame are you looking at there? That's a 3 minute. 891. 2 minute. 1 minute. I would absolutely accept you as an American, Dave. Thanks, Hawk. Early entry here, 5 minute. Gotcha. Okay, you're just looking at sort of the bottom of, you yelled out the bottom of the fair value gap. I see it. Fill the gap. I'm just a little concerned that we're going to chop in here a bit. I think your trade might work out good here for you, Gordon, but quite often when we get these bigger moves like this, we're going to end up chopping around for a bit before we get the next move. So interesting technical analysis observation by a respected technical friend of mine. Potential diamond top in the S&P 500 today. Like this guy right here. Oh, the S&P. Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, I've never really used diamond. diamond drawings, but that's cool. Oh, on the daily chart. Okay. Let me go over to the ES here. Sorry. I'm looking at the wrong chart even. Jesus. I want to see your daily chart, diamond top. Are you talking like this shape here? Like kind of like if you're... something sort of like that. It looks like a B whatever bomber or whatever that thing is, hey? Hey Dave, are you going to come on tonight? Yes, I'll be on tonight, Calico. Funnily enough, there's these evening streams before the holidays tend to be like some of my best days because people don't have to work in the next day, so they're usually on. We usually get extra people coming on stream, so flat is going down, but I have no interest. What a strong pop. Yeah. Nice job, Gordon Gecko. Mr. Gecko in the house. He's rich. I got yeah, can you guys see that without me spilling it? Anyways, it's a latte from the coffee machine down there. See, this is what I was worried about here. We are kind of ranging a bit, you know, and in theory, this could be a bear flag, right? Which is typically we're going to end up breaking to the downside. But currently, it's looking like a bull flag at the moment with because we're kind of like, usually when we're trending down, we're going to break out. But it's hard to be a bull flag when we had a bearish move before it, right? But they might just be sort of ranging it here for a few minutes. The measurement rule puts the potential down move around 6,900. Look up diamond patterns. Yeah, I'll have to look those up. I mean, patterns work, you know. I usually just use channels or bull flags, like triangle patterns for the most part. I like channels and triangle, like flags. Oh, sorry about that, Gordon. I was a little bit worried about this. You call bear flag though? Go up a chipping wedge? Yeah. Yeah, it's a bear. Yeah. I mean, they might be playing around. They might still be playing around down here, guys. It's not a guarantee, right? But we are in a pretty strong fair value gap here, 1 hour, right? But like after this move, it's pretty, you know, at what point is this move done? Is the question. So we do have another 1 hour below and then another one below that. So they could end up taking us all the way down. I don't know. And let's take a look at the 1 hour candle here just to see. So it's a brand new 1 hour candle. And it, you know, the way it's looking, I mean, this could be forming a wick for a move back up to the VWAP. Yeah, possibly. Possibly. But so far, it's looking pretty heavy. Jesus. Oh, it's essentially two triangles. Yeah. NQ Dirty and the whole chat knows. Let's put some iguanodon on. Well, 600 incoming, guys. The only thing I don't like about these like higher time frame fair value gaps is I like to use them as a draw on liquidity because they're just typically so big and such a high time frame. You don't know that it gets inverted until like the hourly candle closes, right? So like you could potentially get into a long here at 769, say for example, and then price goes all the way down 100 points. So you're like, oh, I got to get out of this. Let's stop this out. And then in the last 30 minutes of that 1 hour candle, it just rips up and holds it, right? So it's like when there are these high time frame fair value gaps, they're hard to take like an entry on it because the time frame, you got to really wait a long time for it to actually play out, right? Like this, in theory, this could go all the way to the 600s, hold 600, and then go bullish, and then this fair value gap held, right? Like this could just be another wick, right? This could just be a 1 hour wick, and then we just head back up somewhere to the VWAP or wherever, right? Because in like this is typically this channel like this is going to be a bullish channel. So this could be sort of the bearish manipulation that we need before this thing, tries to go higher. But I'm not saying take a long or anything, but I'm just saying like, and it doesn't always work, not 100% of the time, right? The fact that we're below previous day's point of control, we're below all the VWAPs, like hard to be bullish, right? But kind of almost playing out like what I was saying here. Like we might push down 100 points. Like we were 760, the midpoint of that guy, 770. We went all the way down to 630, so 140 points from the middle of that channel. But this thing could still, in the hourly candle, decide to recover all the way back up, right? All the way up to the 800s or go higher. So maybe pull back up to the low volume node. Where do you have the low volume node? Oh man, I didn't get enough sleep last night. Like 750, 707. Yeah, like look at this thing, man. It's just buyers stepping in here. They like the 650s, obviously. But we basically have to wait until noon to know if this is going to be inverted or not, which kind of sucks. That's why I usually like to use it for a target, but we can't really use this lower one or this one because it's just still, we're still in this one. So thereabouts.
Lucid giveaways. Top 1 futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates. Bone a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs. Every G lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT, go get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top 1 futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. Every G flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo bro. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop.
Come on, boys. Let's keep going here. I'm up. I took 2 micro long there, and up. Closed one in profit already. The other one's in nicely in profit, probably about $60 in profit or so. See if we can't get more of a pop here. Don't pull back on us. Don't pull back. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stops right below 750 here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hold the 50s. Hold the 50s. Hey. Oh. All right. Out of that. Nice little long scalp there. So got that account now down to only down 365. I took 2 micro short, closed for 10 points, and then saw a low volume node. Nice little scalp there. Nice scalp. So how am I on the day then? Let's see here. Why does it show no trades here? For Thursday the 2nd. Hmm. $50,167. 50,167. 100 flex 04. For some reason it's not updating my account here. I don't know. 40004 LFF 40004. No new executions. Why is it not showing it then? I'm not sure why it's not loading up these accounts here. Well, it'll probably catch up at some point here. So if you're scalping, it's okay, but we are in a downtrend. So let's see. I'm waiting for a definitive long opportunity. Yeah. The only reason I'm like thinking it might be a long is because of this 1 hour fair value gap, and we're recovering nicely into it. Now, again, this might not be the right trade still going forward, but you went short earlier, 780 MNQ 2 contracts. Nice trade, Tim. Tim, you're on fire lately. You are on fire.
Candles glowing blue. Trade zealot journaling. Discord vibing. tilt, no fear, just bass hits. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. Market butcher got the whole squad hype. EFG flip and the setup tight. Sunday stream legends getting funded tonight. Hey, MBT code, yeah, the discounts fly. Lucid and top one standing side by side. Risk management, keep the dream
Looking heavy again here. Looking heavy again.
and survive the ride. Market butcher Sundays, baby. Base hits forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold is heavy, oil slippery. Nat gas explosive. Bone up, candle. Boner. Yo.
Huh.
Sunday night.
Yeah, I'm not sure why my TradeZella is having a bit of an issue right now. Not putting these contracts in or these orders in here. Dave, have you tried using the linear regression channel to draw channels in TradingView? Good for short-term channels. It draws channels mathematically. No, I haven't. How do you do that? Yeah, Tim, I know. I gotta follow those rules too. I don't know. Linear regression channel. Is it an add-on or like a indicator?
Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. BG flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stock up, let the winners extend. If you blow the evil, reload my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again.
9M short 687. No, it's a drawing tool on the left called regression trend. Oh, right there. How do you do that? You have to draw it from one to another or something? Like that? Interesting. I always put a protective stop and profit with NQ and MNQ. Yeah, I know, right? It's safer to be that way. Ooh, the Bears, man. The Bears are just pushing us down here.
No tilt, no fear, just bass hits.
Thanks for pointing that out. I'm going to try this channel drawing tool a couple times here. So will it just keep updating it every new candle then? Or do you got to like adjust it? Because you can't seem to take it past the current candle. New song. Cool. Hope you like it. They have indicators that update, but I like the manual way. Gotcha. Watch the ascending triangle on the 4 hour. Yeah, like higher time frame. There's a big. We're in a big bull flag, right? Absolutely. Look what it just did. This could be a 200-point plus move. NQ not looking good for longs. Need Trump to tweet that the Iran war is over again. Yeah. That would be the catalyst we need. Hey, Calico? Just like rocket here.
Chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Marky Butcher squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove.
What a little bounce here. Just in this channel still. Getting some big volume on this candle too. But we're to the top of the channel there. Okay, finally updated that account. So I'm yesterday ended up being down 734 and today I'm up 970. So turned yesterday into a red day with those losses in that account, and then today's a decent green day. Yeah, it's a dangerous area. It could just, I mean, it's not a good place to go long in my opinion right now, just because like we just got to the top of the channel there, and then maybe it's just going to go back down to the bottom of the channel. Yeah, I just pulled it forward there. It seems like every new candle you got to just pull it forward and it relines it up, right? That might have been a good entry in the 660s for long. 40-point bounce there. Seems like the buyers are trying to step in here. So interesting there is CVD is basically up to where it was on those previous highs, right? Or is it? Let's go back. Yeah. So we had like negative 980 there. and we got to negative 990 or 99. Or sorry, basically, so we got a bit of a divergence there between price and CVD. Lots of buying volume in these levels here too. As you can see, there's all kinds of green balls, some sell balls, but they're trying to pump it here a bit. We got that bearish fair value gap up at 752 area. They're not getting the momentum here. At what point do the Wall Street boys leave the office to party all weekend? That's a good question. Hey, Zara, good morning. I think it's kind of like lunchtime right now, right? So they're probably going to be there till the end of the day today, right? Till the usual session close. And then they're going to go party. So oh, on your execution chart, you continually start the new 2-minute channel? Chopping is not my deal. Yeah, I know. We're currently chopping. Kind of going sideways here, which is probably a good thing for if it's going to go bullish here, right? Some consolidation. They're just collecting more contracts here at this level before they want to take it higher if they're going to. I don't know why I'm feeling so bullish, bias for some reason. I'm like trying to talk myself into buying the lows down here, but probably not a good idea. We just keep getting these nice moves, these nice green moves. It looks like bearish continuation, but I'm not almond. Yeah. Because we've been expertly conditioned. I think it has to do with this 1 hour fair value gap that we're in, still holding. How was the session going? Seen some great price action today. Yeah, my session pretty good. So I kind of made some shitty decisions last night in one of my accounts. Ended up getting down. I think it was like, I don't remember if it was like 1,000 or a little over. Maybe it was like 1,200 or something, which kind of like turned my green day into a red day yesterday. Let's see. Oh, geez. Yeah, you guys don't even want to know, actually. Actually, it was down 1,600. And then I did a whole bunch of small scalps, 65, 93, 50, 69, 55. Then I lost 200. Got stopped out for 200. Then I took another 140, 50, and then that was it. So I went from, what was that price there? Anyways, I was up yesterday, turned it into a red day. So I went from positive, I think I was up about 500 something yesterday. Turned that into a negative 700 day. And then now today I'm up 970. So positive on the week. So happy about that. But I got a serious problem with I really need to work on controlling the tilt. Fuck. It's just such a good deal down here. Yeah, it seems like it, right? It's kind of like hard not to buy it when it's way down here. But that's kind of what the bears want you to think too, right? That's what the bears want.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One Michael short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and dropped. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins.
Oh, I made 217 in my top 1 futures funded account yesterday. Also, forgot about that. Yeah, I walked away from trading that account that was in drawdown. So tilt, yeah, me too. That's great recovery. We all have the feeling once in a while. Hi, Dave. I'm on my break. I noticed the market dropped. Was there negative news candle? Yeah. So so there was a post that came on at 10-11 a.m. on Financial Juice talking about how the European nations are going to have to accept Strait of Hormuz fees. So, and then at that point, market just went down. So everyone does it. I blew a top step yesterday on purpose, so I was so pissed at them. Ugh. Yeah, I hate it. I hate it. Well, that's kind of weird though. If you start adding in, if you add the other candle, then it shows that it's like over here. So I accidentally went in with 51 micros and walked away to get some water. And I was at 5K in my funded account, which I closed it right away. Really? I meant to go in with one. Oh, because you had a 5 in there and then you like highlighted it to put like a 1 to change it to 1, and then it ended up being 51. I've done that before too. I looked up and I was like, whoa, why do I have like, you know, like I think it was like 3 and then 1, so it was like 31. I didn't take a trade, but I was like, I know exactly what you're talking about. Where you're trying to change it from a 5 to a 1, right? I've been there. Luckily I didn't take the trade, so but it turned out good for you. Wow. So you're up, but that's going to blow your consistency. But I mean, it is what it is. Isn't it in an account that you don't have to worry about consistency? Because that would be pretty dope. Oh, nice. Wow. That's so awesome. Well, I guess you're taking a payout then, hey, from that? That's awesome, man. Congrats. Bonus. I can withdraw right away when market closes. Yeah, we'll definitely do that. Yeah, the TPT pros are nice for that. Well, good thing it went in the direction for you, so yeah, no doubt. 51 micros, hey? 5 minis. Wow. That's scary. But good thing your entry was so money. I guess I should have taken along there. Hey guys, this thing's been going up and up and up here, and still lots of volume balls here, like 295, 51, 298, 295, 83, 181, 179. So FN trades, I've been watching this 1 hour bullish fair value gap here, and that's kind of been sort of, I don't know, I was talking to the chat about this earlier, that, you know, this could end up turning into a huge wick and then we end up recovering back to the VWAP or something, right? So we'll see. Like, we still have about 20 minutes left on this candle, right? But so far we wicked back into this bullish channel here, found support in the 1 hour fair value gap, and if this thing flips green, sky's the limit. You got a new POC? Developing POC? Oh yeah, this is a new developing POC right at this level here. We got some low volume nodes here at 865 right before the 900s, and then again at 30,000. So if we continue this bullish move, I mean, we're probably going to head back to 30K anyways. But this could be some inducement here. Not a huge amount of volume, although we are kind of at lunchtime, so maybe that's why volume has dropped. The only thing I don't really like about this trend or this channel calculator, it's like every time you move it to the next candle, it just keeps putting it back in the channel. You know what I mean? Whereas if I would have had it drawn before, like, it probably would have, well, I guess this could still be the channel, right? So I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back, guys. So what about ES? The NQ, the ES are opposite, it seems. Is that what's happening now? I mean, they look pretty similar to me. We rolled over, we're bouncing up here on both of them around the same time as that key European nations accept Hormuz Strait fees are inevitable. So I don't understand, because MOU stated that Iran will charge fee for using the strait. Now the market reacts to it now. I guess it's just because they put it out, and you know, it's a Thursday before the end of the weekend, so, or the holiday. So I'll be right back, guys. Frank's barking like a maniac.
fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knocks heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline. Built it one bar at a time, that grind line. Oh, 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 so rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knots heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline. Built it one bar at a time, that grind line. Oh, 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 so rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knots heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline. Built it one bar at a time, that grind line. Oh, 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 so rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knots heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline. Built it one bar at a time, that grind line. Oh, 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 so rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knots heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline. Built it one bar at a time, that grind line. Oh, so rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts taken, all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent.
More chop, more chop.
Another round, another verse, let the session begin.
More chop, hey? Sheesh.
Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers. Crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline. Built it one bar at a time. That grind.
I've got a short call spread at the moment here, so I'm looking for price to continue lower. I mean, you definitely could be right here. We might have to go to the VWAP here before we get a leg lower, though. That's all. That's kind of like why I'm sort of leaning towards longs at the moment. But I mean, in some time here, I definitely could see us going lower. Gotta clean my shades here again.
Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of
We have to hold 700
nights, warm beats.
for the bulls.
Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth.
I mean, you might get it earlier too, FN trades. It's hard to say at this point, right?
For the ones still chasing. Dust
It's just we're in, typically these downtrending channels end up being, a bullish channel, but not for sure, right? The regression trend has a checkbox to check whether you can extend the lines forward or not, have it pull it manually. Right click it to get properties. You'll see the settings. Okay.
all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knots heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers. Crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stay blazing. From the basement, speakers to the city skyline. Built it one bar at a time. That
Ralph's up, rolling around in the couch over there.
vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No
It's under the style tab.
all earned with persistence. Make the hard road famous just by staying consistent. Beat knots heavy while the memory spin. Another round, another verse, let the session begin. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. City lights flicker. Late night thinkers. Crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex. Just
Oh, extend lines.
trying to
Oh, geez.
lessons into something. Raise it up for the
Oh, it just goes forever.
dust on the rhythm with the vinyl crack texture. Street light glow with the poet type lecture. Every scar got a story, every loss got a page. Turn the pain into fuel when you step on the stage. No shortcuts.
I think it goes a little too far for me. It's all good. Give it a little try. Do you trade options sometimes? Price could chop here for the rest of the day, and a short call spread would be profitable as long as we don't end the day above 29,750. You know, I have traded options in the past, but I've never really got into like credit spreads or you know, iron condors or whatever. But I would just be in like calls or put options, right? So I never really got that deep into it. I thought about getting deeper into it. Maybe one day I'll look more into it, but for now, just sticking with the futures contracts. I think we need to change these tunes. I don't know how long this one's been playing for. Probably too long.
Howdy there, everybody! My name's Dave. And today, I accidentally bought the top. Again.
Oh yeah, more just calls and puts have better upsides. Futures are phenomenal though. Yeah.
Thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20.
We got some more Israeli army. The Javad Brigade completes combat missions in South Lebanon. U.S. dangles rewards for opening Strait of Hormuz. Iran isn't budging. U.S. dangles rewards for opening the Strait of Hormuz. Iran isn't budging. The United States and Oman are seeking ways to break Iran's insistence on imposing tolls for ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz. Their main leverage in indirect negotiations was a commitment to unfreeze some of the 100 billion Iranian wealth kept abroad. So far, Tehran has not taken the bait. Its military authorities has responded with a new round of threats against the ships traveling through one of the world's busiest waterways. I mean, I think it's pretty BS that a country is going to try to like charge people for using the water around their country. You know what I mean? I don't know what you guys think about that, but I think it's just pure BS that somebody would be like basically trying to force people to pay them to pass by their country. Like, isn't that just the craziest thing? Dave, you still streaming Asia? Yeah, I will be on tonight. Yes, I will be on tonight. Did you or Nick, by any chance, get smoked on the red candle? No, I wasn't in anything during that. I think I actually stepped away from the chart for a minute when that all happened. So luckily.
I passed 3 evils in a row, then somehow got much
I'm an honest trader, guys. Yeah, there are a bunch of reasons to not let specific countries have that much power and money. Yeah, I mean, like, why should people be paying a country just to like drive past their country? You know, to take a waterway past their country. It just doesn't make any sense to me at all. But you know, and it just goes along the lines of, you know, that they're a terrorist country. Like, I mean, this is what I'm hearing from media and everything. Obviously, I don't know in person, but it's kind of like, isn't that the type of thing that a bad country is going to do? Is like try to force people to like extort people to pay them, basically, to use the waterway near their their country. Like, yeah, I don't know. Like, why doesn't, you know, United Arab Emirates or Oman get all the money, right? Like, you know, why does Iran get the money if they're going to charge a toll to go through that, you know? And it's not like they have, you know, it's not like the Panama canal, right, where they had to actually like build it and they have working equipment to like make it work, right? Like, I feel like that's a little bit of a different story if you're going to be charging some people, because you got to maintain it, you got people that work there, it's an ongoing thing. But this is just literally ocean that's there's no special you know, thing about it. So why does Iran get the money when, you know, UAE and Oman are right there also? So why aren't they charging the money? But I don't know. Hey, we got 25 people watching still. Looks like we have about 17 in YouTube and 7 in X. Good to see you, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Well, I got a top one futures eval here that I just made 775 in. Went short 5, added 5, added 5, added 5, and then closed it all. I was a little worried it was going to bounce on me at this point, so I ended up basically taking a break even on those last 5. So 774 there. That's not going to be in my TradeZilla though. That's just one of those cheapo buy one get one evals. Got a couple of those. I did not know you were a metalhead like that kind of music. You like heavy metal, Skeletor? I mean, I'm not. I'm. It's not like my go-to music, but I don't have any problems with it, you know. and it's more so just to keep everybody happy. You know, I want to have some variety. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Damn, I should have held that, guys. That would have been like a 2K right now, probably. I'll put on the baby metal song for you next. Oh man, should have held that boy, held that bad boy. Hi, Ralph. Some baby metal. Would you rather close a 250 winner or risk holding it to the end of the day for 1,000 potential? I like peace and peace of mind. I would take the W. 250 is not a bad amount of money to lock in, right? If it's kind of like fits sort of in your strategy there. Baby metal's what you're talking about? Nice. Yeah. Was that your idea? I think it was FN Trades. No stop loss, just take profit. Probably bad advice. Take profit, don't be a dick for a tick. For a tick. My account's emotional. Randall's duck says, let's go. I think that's what it said. Profit, don't be a dick for a tick. For a tick. All right, took another 250 on the short there in that eval. So I'm up 1,023 now in this 100K eval. Entered 5, added 5, closed them both in profit. Very nice. All right, what time? Oh, it's 9:07 already here. So I do got to wrap it up, guys. I got a bunch of things on the schedule today. Plus, we're gonna be back for tonight's evening stream. So, thank you for hanging out with me today, guys. Appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys ended up the day pretty green. Hopefully, pushing down to the lows here. Looks like they're gonna make a new low. Oh, did we invert that 1 hour? Did we? Yeah, we did invert that 1 hour. So I'm just gonna take that guy off the chart now. So our next target is probably down at the 500s. Oh, I got a new job offer. I'll probably leave my current team. It sounds like a nice role, but I feel bad leaving my work incomplete. Any tips, sir? You're 26. Well, I mean, you obviously you're gonna give them notice, right? So, or you just have to move right away. I mean, they can figure it out. They'll have to shuffle it around and take care of the work. So, as long as you're doing your best to give them notice and whatever, I don't think you should feel bad about it. And nice job, congrats. Got to go to where the money's at. Good and green, see you days. I'll leave in a few weeks, but it takes months to complete the work and the team is understaffed. Well, I mean, that's not your fault, right? So just do your best, go in there every day and work as hard as you would be as if it was your main job. Don't slack off. Like, lots of people when they're leaving their job, they're like, well, whatever, I don't care about this anymore, right? So I would say, just put in some serious effort to do your best and show up, and then they can't really be mad, right? Got to look out for yourself. Just grabbed another 5 contracts long here. Sold 2 already. Gonna try to take another 2 off there. About 4. I got 1 contract left. Gonna go break even on that. There we go. And we're pumping here, so I'm gonna just trail this guy up a bit here. Lock in some more money. Up about 50 bucks on this 1 micro left here. So 1,200 in this eval now. Let's trail this up a bit more here. Come on, boys. Let's keep going. Nice. Lock it in a bit more. There you go, bro. So that was like almost a $200 trade there in a few moments. Can't be upset about that. Here I am. I'm saying I got to get off the stream, and I'm like, oh, let's just take a long here real quick, guys. Okay, but I really should wrap it up here. So thanks, everybody. Let me just do our little shout out like usual. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll be back tonight for 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But a little shout out to the top fans: Calico, the Hawkflies, Skeletor, Randall Paul, Gordon Gecko, Angia Lafta, Wayne, Chess Lab AI, Czar Trader, FN Trades, Tim Core, Just Ain't Right, Ing Li Tai, Mustang Trader, M. Will, Puran, my dad, Jonathan Gooden, Zumana, and Kyle Shees. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. I appreciate you as usual. So yeah, so if you're around, if you want to just hang out, we'll see you guys tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the evening session. Let's see if we can't lock in a little bit of more money. All right, Ing Li. Am I saying that right? Ing Li Tsai? I did ask for a raise to stay, but I knew I was asking for too much. I'm expecting a solid no later today. Well, hey, you got to give them the option, right? You got to give them the option. Just when you get another job offer, you can say, look, this is my offer. I like you guys. I'd rather stay here. I got an offer from somebody else. But I'll give you the chance to match it, and I'll definitely stick around. So good for you. You got to look out for number one, though, right? And if that means you got to leave some companies to other ones, I mean, that's just how it is, right? But yeah, good luck with that. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thanks, everybody. We will see you later tonight. Hopefully, stay green. Have a great day. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Where's the roll call song? There we go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Peace out. Bye-bye. Thanks, everybody. See you later. Have a great day.